Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot for inbound marketing step by step clearly. To begin configuring HubSpot for inbound marketing, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner of your dashboard. In the settings menu, select marketing from the left sidebar. Next, choose campaigns to set up your marketing campaigns effectively. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. Enter the campaign name and set the start and end dates. After saving, navigate back to the settings menu. From there, select Website and then Pages to configure your site settings. Enable the SEO settings to optimize your website for search engines. Return to the main dashboard and select the Content option. Now, choose Blog to create a blog for your inbound marketing strategy. Click the Create Blog button, then fill in the necessary information. Next, go to Lead Capture in the left sidebar. Select Forms and click Create Form to start collecting leads. Choose Embedded Form for your website and customize the. Once the form is ready, click Publish to make it live. Next, return to the marketing section and navigate to Email. Click on Create Email to craft your first email campaign. Select the email type and fill out the necessary details, including subject and content. Once completed, review your email settings and click Send or Schedule accordingly. Proceed to the CRM tab on the left sidebar to manage your contacts effectively. Import your existing contacts or start adding new ones manually. Utilize the Lists feature to segment your contacts based on criteria. Next, navigate to Dashboards to create a dashboard that visualizes your marketing efforts. Click Create Dashboard and customize it with relevant metrics and reports. Finally, monitor your campaigns and track performance using the Analytics tool in HubSpot. Regularly review your data to refine your inbound marketing strategy for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.